Hi mga ka-UVG, tingnan natin kung ano ang energy ng month of May. Siya nga po pala, gusto ko magpasalamat po sa mga returning subscriber tsaka sa mga new subscriber. Maraming salamat po. Sa returning subscriber, thank you po sa suporta since day 1. Sa mga new subscriber po, stay connected po tayo. Okay. So, meron kang The Lovers, Decision Making, Upright. Kailangan mo mag-decision, Virgo. Anong klaseng desisyon? Hindi ko alam kung family department, career, or love department. Tell me more. Ace of Cups. Love department. Hello. Knight of Swords. So, pay attention. Meron gusto makapag-communicate dito sa'yo, Rush. Rush ID picture. Merong rush dito, Virgo. This person is... Kung sino man tong person na to. So, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang magdidesisyon or... Parang feeling ko ikaw ang magdidesisyon kasi reading mo to. Okay. Communication. Month of May. May mag-o-offer ng love sa'yo dito, Virgo. So, it's up to you. Accept or reject. Okay. Talagang sasabog ang telepono mo dito, kabilaan. Yeah. 9 of Swords. Sleepless nights. Parang, nakakahilo. For real, Virgo, for real. Sana all. God dang. Ganda ng energy ng May, nakakakilig na nakakatawa na hindi ko maintindihan. I don't know. Baka yun ang nafe-feel mo, Virgo. Parang napapatawa ka na lang na, ay, ito na naman po tayo. I don't know, Virgo. Baka merong proposal na mangyari sa'yo dito and merong matinding decision making talaga. The World card. Ending something in order to begin new one. This is new. This is about newness, Virgo. So, are you ready? Ready ka na ba sa newness when it comes to love? Okay. So, it's up to you, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung you are dealing with the multiple person kasi or maybe one person pero meron kang decision making either to be single or to be with someone. Or baka merong multiple suitors ka dito kaya kailangan mong mag-decide. Okay, so dalawa lang 'yun. Either magde-decide ka para sa sarili mo kasi merong decision making dito tsaka meron kang the world card meaning kailangan mong mag-end something. Kailangan mo i-end ang singleness mo or kailangan mong mag-choose between 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 lovers. I don't know. Kung sino mag-fit sa'yo talaga. So, no wonder kung bakit meron kang 9 of swords dito. At saka meron kang knight. Ito 9 of swords. Okay? Overthinking things. Ano ba talaga? Knight of swords is communication. Merong someone na gusto makapag-communicate sa'yo when it comes to love with the Ace of Cups. The Lover's card. Oh my God, Virgo. Together with the Two of Cups. So, ano ba bang gusto niyo sabihin ko? Para bang hindi na ako magbubunot kasi alam na eh. The Moon card, Virgo. Someone is going to offer you an emotion of a lifetime. I mean, provide for you the love that you need, Virgo. Okay, so ang ending pala sa love ang dating ng reading natin dito. End of May, I mean, first week of May. The whole May, let's just say. Month of May, okay. But possible, maaaring naganap na magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap. The Strength card, lakas ng tama. Lakas, tama. The Wheel. It is destined to happen, Virgo, the Tower card. Okay, so, Ten of Wands. So, with the Hangman, I think ikaw ang nagpapadelay sa sitwasyon or merong delay dito when it comes to love, offering something, or put the relationship into the next level. But for some of you, sa nakikita ko dito, ang lakas ng, hindi ko alam kung takot ka or something, or may takot dito when it comes to responsibility. Kasi isa sa inyo, nakikita or nape-perceive ang relationship is a big responsibility with the Ten of Wands. Or for some of you, may kailangang i-drop ang lahat ng responsibility in order to come towards you. Okay. Or maybe ikaw, kailangan mong dapat i-intact ang responsibility versus your own relationship or versus your own responsibility. For some of you, I think ikaw breadwinner ka or maybe meron kang mga something dito na kailangan tapusin bago mo i-prioritize yung sarili mo. Okay, so it's very strong here, Virgo, na merong mag-o-offer ng love sa'yo dito, willingness to carry the burden. Okay. Kung ano yung burden mo, burden na niya. Kung anong burden niya, parang merong communication dito na one person. Kung ano yung sa'yo, ano yun din ang akin. Kung ano problema mo, I don't know, something in that line. But the wheel is here, underneath ng Ace of Cups. So, hindi mo na kailangang sarilihin ang lahat ng obligasyon dito, Virgo. Someone is gonna be on your way to carry and to help you for all those burdens that you are carrying. Okay, but for some of you, mahirap sa yung gawin with the Strength card and the Lover's card, decision making, kasi parang feeling ko you're used to it na hindi ka nag-a-ask ng kahit na anong tulong sa iba. Ikaw, para bang nasanay kang ikaw ang gumagawa ng lahat. Okay, so may nag-overthink things dito, either you're going to drop or you're willing to share the responsibilities here for others. I mean, to the specific person, someone, specific someone, or you're good doing it by yourself. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. The Hangman, I think ikaw ang nagpapadelay or intention mong i-delay. Okay. Kasi I think you need to think it through. Kailangan mo pag-isipan ng mabuti. Kasi with the World card, kailangan may tapusin ka either sa sarili mo or marami kang suitors dito. Tinitingnan mo kung sino talaga yung pinaka-reliable. Okay. So, let's see what else. Ganda naman ng May mo. Sana all. So, the Seven of Wands. Hierophant card, definitely a commitment. The Hangman, it's a delay. Underneath ng Two of Cups, the Tower, at saka the Hangman. I think ikaw lang nagpapadelay dito, Ace of Wands. Ay, Ace of Swords together with the King of Wands. So, Virgo, sa nakita ka dito, month of May, there is a commitment coming in. Pero I think ikaw ang napaka-defensive dito. You're in the defensive mode. Lakas ng dating mo dito kung ikaw ang alpha female or alpha male. I think you're used to na ikaw ang magsosolve ng problema. Hindi ka used to it na pasa ang problema or humingi, I don't know, something in that line. So, kaya may nag-overthink things dito kasi merong solid offer dito pero hindi mo alam kung gusto mo talaga or what. Okay, so pero meron kang aha moment dito. Truth is coming out with the Ace of Wands, ideas and things of that nature, Virgo. Ace of Wands is here for you. Okay. Tell me more. 3 cards. Oh, King of Swords. Maybe meron kang suitors, King and Queen of Pentacles. Together with the Page of Cups. Okay, so parang feeling ko meron kang trust issue dito, Virgo, when it comes to finances or when it comes to stability or when it comes to, with the Page of Cups is sweet talker and crush card. Skeptical ka dito on something, Virgo. So, hindi kita mabiblame kung nag-overthink ka. Okay. Pero merong new offer of love dito sa'yo. Two of Cups, Ace of Cups, the Lovers. This person sees you as the one. Okay, but ikaw lang ang nagpapadelay ng mga bagay-bagay dito. Meron kang Hierophant, this is commitment or maybe contract. This is, hindi ko mailalagay ito sa career. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ilagay sa career. Hierophant card. Baka nagde-decide ka either prioritize ang love or career with the Hierophant. Okay. So, meron ka kasing decision making dito na kailangan. The world card, ibig sabihin matindi. Matinding the lovers, the world. Matinding decision making. Kasi yun ang magdadala sa'yo ng either positive in the future or negative in the future. Magbe-base sa magiging decision mo. So, you need to think it carefully. Okay. Either pa-prioritize mo ang love or career. Pwede naman sigurong both. Possible. Pero meron kang trust issue dito when it comes to finances and stability. You've been there. Kaya meron tayong tower dito. Everything is, ang lahat ng foundation na ibinild mo is a false foundation. So, meron kang scarcity mindset when it comes to building another stable. Pero I think you will give it a shot. Bakit ko nasabi yun, Virgo? Kasi hindi magsasagi sa isip mo yung decision making kapag hindi mo siya bibigyan ng chance eh. You know what I mean? Talagang magde-decide ka na no. Pero meron kang decision making, meaning talagang meron kang skeptical ka rin sa sarili mo. Pero why not give it a try? Kaya meron ka ditong Ace of Swords, aha moment or truthful or epiphany or ideas when it comes to newness, new love, new life, or new career. Okay, but kailangan mo, ang defense mo dito is on the naka-high alert. Okay. Always. Kasi meron kang trust issue. Okay. Sana naman ay nag-gets ako, Virgo. Napaka-clear sa communication dito. Someone is going to rush in, Virgo, communication-wise. Nasa sa'yo yan, Virgo, when it comes to your finances, I think. Finances and security long-term. Okay. So, month of May, merong mag-o-offer sa'yo ng love dito. Ikaw ang magde-decipher if genuine or legit or one-sided or based on experience. I think based on experience, you know it very well. The Hierophant card. Okay. Meron ka ng trust issue dito, so ayaw mong matrigger yung trust issue mo or trauma mo dito. So, you're gonna make it as very smooth as possible as you can. Okay. So, let's just see. Para po sa mga Virgos na committed na, merong level up when it comes to the relationship here, Virgo. Okay. So, kung meron mang fallout with the Tower card or trust issue, meron ka ditong another idea to make the relationship strong or another person meron siyang idea to make the relationship strong. Okay. With the World card, maybe travel. Okay. Both of you are going to travel somewhere to make or to have a strong bond, Virgo, dito. But regardless, the defense here is still up. Nasa high alert pa rin. Communication. Kailangan ng strong communication dito. Three of Swords. Okay. So, kahit masakit, kailangan pa rin sabihin someone is feeling left alone. Something or someone is feeling left out or feeling abandoned. Six of Pentacles, but the generosity is there. Ace of Wands, passion is there. So, merong temporary feeling of abandonment dito, Virgo. Okay. So, kung ano man to para sa'yo, I think this is love. Okay. It can go either way. New love, past love. No, I don't think so. Past love. Possible. Okay. Pero ang naka-indicate kasi sa the lovers at saka the world card, you need to end something in order to begin new one. Kung you are entering something new, Virgo dito, so yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, communication is the key. Merong communication dito. Itong pinaka-importante, kailangan i-address ang mga bagay-bagay. Pero with the strength card, you are strong enough, naka-high alert ka. Ah, pero ano ka pa rin, meron ka talagang trust issue dito. Okay. So, nasa sa'yo pa rin ang desisyon. Pero parang I think ako curious. Meron kang curiosity dito out of curiosity. Kaya ka napapaisip. Pero just so you know, feeling abandoned, may feeling left out dito and heartbroken. Pero nandun pa rin yung compassion at saka willingness to start over again. Yun ang nakikita ko. Okay, so merong isang person dito na gustong mag-share or gustong maki-share ng burdens dito or responsibility, Virgo. So, pay attention sa mga magiging communication in the month of May na share the burden, one person thing. Kung ano yung burden mo, burden ko din. Kung anong meron ako, dapat meron ka rin. Kind of energy, Virgo, just let me know in the comments below. Hindi ko alam kung naganap na or magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyan nagaganap. Basta merong offer of love dito. Either this is a past person, new person, it doesn't matter. Basta ang pinaka-highlights ng theme ng reading na to in the month of May is trust issue, mati-trigger, commitment is here, love is here, overthinking is here, having a sleepless night is here, strong boundaries is here, Virgo. So, delay is here. I think ikaw ang magpapadelay dito ng communication. Meron kang cold shoulder na binibigay dito or even block, Virgo. So, yun ang nakikita ko. Tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging advice. So, let's see the advice, Virgo. Advice for my UVG collective. Take time to breathe out, Virgo. Step out into your comfort zone. And the energy is gaining momentum. Bottom of the deck, a win-win outcome is in the forecast. So Virgo, very positive when it comes to the month of May, Virgo. So step out into your comfort zone. It's time to breathe out. Kung merong mang chance na 1 minute, not 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 hour, not 10 hour, 10 minutes break, feel free to sleep. Take a nap, Virgo. You deserve it. Okay, so yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. Seize the opportunity dito, Virgo. The energy is gaining momentum. So whatever it is, kailangan mong i-rest ang mind mo kasi ang mga Virgos is may mga sakit sila na overthinking things. Okay, so most especially specific situation. Okay. But regardless, ang bottom of the deck is a win-win outcome win-win outcome is in the forecast. So kahit ano pa man magiging victorious ang outcome ng decision mo dito. Okay. So just pay attention na lang, Virgo, sa ah mga people na gustong makapag-usap sa'yo. Not everything and not everyone is in your best interest. Bakit ko nasabi yon? Kasi nga meron kang trust issue dito. So, sweet talker, hindi a-attract ka sa'yo yan. Alam mo, meron kang x-ray eyes, meron kang lie detector or something. Okay, so, I leave it there. Wait lang. Ano pa pala? Angel message number. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number kay Virgo. May mensahe ka na maaaring makarelate sa situation mo. So, let's see. Angel message for my Virgo, please. What is the angel message number? Google mo po siya. Angel message number for my Virgo collective. Let's see. Meron kang 3, communication. 7, and 9. 379, maaaring maka-resonate sa sitwasyon mo, Virgo. So, Google mo siya. 379, angel message number. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Sana po ay nakatulong. Sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Stay connected po tayo. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much po. Comment na rin. Malaking tulong. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo, and bye for now.